Cybersecurity researchers from Sophos have helped us review a new fraud campaign that involves catfishing on social media, a few fake apps, and a whole lot of cryptocurrencies. Anyways, my name is Alvin Alexa, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can protect yourself from these CryptoRom Bitcoin swindlers. And if that sounds interesting, let's get right into it.
Audio Jungle.
But before I show you how you can protect yourself, you need to know how these guys operate. And to get things straight, the premise is always simple. A fraudster creates a fake identity, mostly in female names, and it has a female profile on popular social medias and dating sites. I'm pretty sure if you're in a country like Uganda and you use WhatsApp a lot like me, you have received messages about cryptocurrency, mostly from ladies, which rings a bell to most people, but also most people fall for this trick. However odd it is, in recent times the romance-based money scam has also been upgraded. If you don't know this, these fake IDs run by these scammers now find a gullible victim and they shoot him with all they've got. In most cases, after exchanging numerous messages and gaining their trust, they will persuade the victim to join them in investing into cryptocurrency, imitations of popular trading apps. For example, the attackers have created an app called Robinhood, which is a fraudulent version of the popular Robinhood trading platform, and mostly scams are well organized and skewed in identity and exploiting vulnerable users based on their situations, interests, and level of technical ability. Anyways, their joint investing is so tricky, and they have managed to get their apps on Android and even iOS, so nobody is safe. So as they operate these applications back ends, they will be able to show you that you have some money or any money on your account. In most cases depends the trust of most people. However, whenever you try withdrawing, the money is permanently lost. To some victims, the rabbit hole even goes deeper, that the fraudster will suggest you to reach out the customer care, where they will tell you like to pay 20% tax to withdraw the funds, taking all that money too. So my advice to you would be to be careful and don't trust anyone with your money, especially with people you find online, and also be careful of these apps. So make sure that you check out for any negative reviews on these apps, and make sure that if you're a newbie, before you start trading, please make sure to do your research very well, and also make sure that you check out for the reviews. That's the most important thing, because most of the times these guys, when they create these apps, once they fraud someone might go and maybe write a review. So be careful and don't use any app that you find online. Okay, make sure that you use the trusted apps, and make sure that you do your research very well. I won't recommend any app, but make sure that you be careful and take precautions. Okay, now that's it in today's video, and make sure to subscribe and also drop a like if you found this video informative. And with that said, till next time, bye. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.